difficult decisions, or rather the making of difficult decisions, was my downfall for a long, long time. What am I talking about? When it came to making decisions, I made decisions based on pleasing other people. Of course, now as a leader, I came to realize, as I stepped into leadership, that people's temperament and dynamics change. So whereas perhaps somebody in your peer group wanted something to happen in a certain way in a certain season, in the next season, they will have changed their mind, and that's their prerogative. But guess who was left holding the monkey, so to speak? Me. Because the decision that I made in the first instance was about pleasing somebody. And when they changed their mind, I had to go with the flow and make another decision. This did not work for me. Or like they say, how is that working for you? It didn't work for me. So something had to shift. And then I found the magic pill. Values. Knowing what my values are helps me, continues to help me through to this day to make decisions that are backed up by me, by who I am, by how I will show up, whether it's in the middle of the night or first thing in the morning, whether it's in a fire, whether it's in a crisis. My values hold true. And there's a program that I run, which is called Core Values. And if you are interested in this, all you have to do is DM me Core Values, and I can walk you through it. So choosing those values is key. My question to you then is, what are your values? And you most probably are going to list so many of them. I want you to be able to funnel them down to 2 or 3 values and then purpose to show up in this way. So what I want you to do now is think about an impending decision or a decision that you're sitting on right now that you have to make. And with those 2 or 3 values that you have already listed, hold a mirror up to that decision. Ask yourself, does this choice reflect who I really am? And see how that lands for you. Thank you for listening to Bites by Clarity Coach Lucy.